So the current time is 9 a.m. And yes, my first video of today was just posted. It only took a matter of an hour and a half to post it through regular internet connection. But it should be also understood that I had well over 100 email notifications that I had to sift through in order to properly reply to a lot of comments that I never received through the normal channels of notifications, such as YouTube notifications or YouTube Studios and their notifications. None of these comments popped up in either or of those categories. I had to go through all those emails in order to reply appropriately. And some of those were from 2 days ago. More games this ridiculous platform is playing. I have to say, I will be glad when Google and YouTube are taken down and they are wiped out of existence. Yeah. And it's going to be of their own doing. You know why? Because they decided to let their AI programming run amok. Okay, so I got a question. If we were to have this eclipse today, and I am familiar with eclipses, I have seen, witnessed, observed quite a few in my time. And you never see the moon approaching the greater light, which is still waiting to be visible over the rooftop here. Because of course, that light is hitting the reverse side of the moon, and therefore it blocks out the sighting of the moon. How does it appear in other countries at this time? Is the moon the lesser light and the greater light observed at the same time? I mean, we see it happening here quite often. So with that other location, they should be having sightings of the sun and moon, the greater light, the lesser light, to some degree, right? And consider the wobble of the earth. Shouldn't that influence the pathway of this eclipse? Should it actually be moving in such a straight direction? Although there is, a bit of a curve to it all because, well, the shape of the planet, right? And while I'm out here jibber-jabbering, here we go. And I am out here in just a t-shirt and a pair of shorts, and I am shivering because it is still quite cool. But yes, I am in disagreement with the astrophysicists that are making a name for themselves right now. The factor of NASA following the eclipse. There's just too many things that makes me go, And I hope it's making you do the same. We'll be back. Oh, and by the way, I have replied to all comments now, I hope. Yeah, another imaginary word and definition. All right. We'll see you back here on this flip side.